We just went on a pee run ahead of this concert.
Coming?
Yeah.
Train. They walking on the track.
So we're on our way to a Burna Boy concert in downtown Minneapolis at the Armory.
July 22nd, 2022.
It's hot out here. Bitches are looking cute. And the vibe is real African out here. So, we'll have fun. But we're at the State Fair. It's our third State Fair.
Second in person.
Second in person. The first one was the drive-thru. The second one we volunteered and was scary. And the third one we did a good job. I think we did a good job. But I don't know if you can hear any of this. But anyways, okay, bye. Air fryer?
Yeah.
Why how they get crispy?
For like less than a minute.
Maybe. I'll have to look that up. That's a good idea. Cheers. Something is so goddamn delicious. Oh, we're about to leave. I'm so tired, sweaty.
We did it all.
We saw cows and chickens and things on a stick.
Ate all the food.
And all the food.
Mexican corn.
Drank different colored beers. Toronto pie. What I eat that with the giant egg roll, kettle corn, and ice cream, and a hamburger. So yeah, I think we did a good job. We did a good job taking it. All right, bye. We're about to launch.
It's good season. About 10. Almost good.
And we're going just straight down Como?
Yeah, Como.
We made it back from State for 2022. And I'm so freaking tired. Is there sweat up on my brow? I'm sweaty and tired. Almost about to miss the picture.
Yeah, see what you said? I remember that whole video that you took of me when I was like this tall. And
Yeah.
you were like, you know that your sister is an alcoholic? And I'm like, what?
No! Your sister was that Angie?
I swear, no, it was your sister. I
I remember that. That was a joke. That was a joke.
What are you taking a picture of? Taking a picture of me?
I feel like a sheriff. I'm like Sheriff Academy.
It was in a plastic bottle, so.
Emmanuel, you tall guy. Okay. How many seconds? Okay, ready to go. Okay. Close your eyes and when I say 3, open your okay.
She was so sublime, super fine. She was never lying, strutting in the hills or her slides. Either way, eyes on her every single day, week, year. Everyone wondering how she does it with no fear. All that confidence, was it heaven sent? Does it come within? Does it come run out? I don't know. She'll just have them running out and in. Man, they
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to them. Happy birthday, dear King. Happy birthday to you. There's no candle now. COVID has taken care of that, so people will never blow on candles again because of COVID.
No, kids just they can't get.
I was shocked. There was a lot of people still wearing.
You